बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to the last lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, today we are going to attend last lesson from IPR 2 and tomorrow we are going to start Iqra English Book 2. And I hope that is going to be really interesting for you. So without wasting your time, let's start revision of the previous learned phonogram and then we will start to today's lesson. Phonograms are very important. हम daily basis पे revise करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Start revision. Sh as in fish, E as in tree. Next one. आओ ओ आओ ओ ऊ अ ऊ उ च ख sh. R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint, OA as in boy, OE as in oil, R as in her, R as in first, R as in nurse. Next one, were as in worm. So we have done these phonograms from IPA 2. Now we are moving forward towards the next phonogram. So can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Yes, it has only one sound. And what is the sound? Very good. R as in early. Once again, R as in early. Very good. Now let's have a look for some of the examples related to this phonogram. Then we will start today's lesson. Okay, dear Prep 6 students, start reading the words related to R as in early phonogram. Learn, learn, pearl, pearl, early, early, search, search. So in this way words will be given in your paper and you will underline the phonogram. Okay, it's three-lettered R, three-lettered R. Okay, you will underline the phonogram in your paper and then you will write sound number. So can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Very good. It has only one sound, so you will write sound number 1. In this way you will solve this question related to sound number in your paper. Okay students, can you guess another phonogram, double letter phonogram from this word search? Very good. Ch, k, sh. So it also has sound number 1. Okay students, in this way you will solve the question related to sound number. Now let's move forward towards IPR 2. Okay my dear students, let's start reading the sentences related to R as in early phonogram. What did you learn in school today? What did you learn in school today? Learn. Look at the picture carefully. Okay, once again. What did you learn in school today? A as in today, R as in learn. Okay, next one. We will get up early. We will get up early. Early in the morning. Okay, look at the picture carefully. Next one. Earth is round like a ball. Earth is round like a ball. Okay students. Now come towards next sentences. Next one. She found a pearl inside a clam. She found a pearl inside a clam. Clam mean fish, shell of a fish. Okay, shellfish. Okay students, fish का जो shell होता है उसको हम clam बोलते हैं. As you can see at the river bank, ठीक है, दरिया के किनारों पे आपको इस तरह के shells नजर आते हैं, उनमें हमें pearls मिलते हैं, मोती. Okay, she found a pearl inside a clam. Look at the picture, it's beautiful. Next one. My mother has soft heart. My mother has soft heart. Look at the picture. Mothers are always kind, loving and caring. All of the mothers have soft hearts. Clear students? So you will read the given sentences 5 times and you will try to guess the sound number. As you can see, as in early phonogram written with red color, so it means sound number 1. Now let's move over towards worksheet. Okay, dear prep 6 students, we will mark today's date here. It's the worksheet for the phonogram as in early. Very good. It's 3-lettered Let's start reading the words given in the box. Early, early. Hearth, hearth. Hearth is a fireplace. Okay, जिस जगह आग जलाई जाती है घर में, that is called hearth. Search, search. Earth, earth. Okay, you will read the given words 5 times. Now let's move over towards exercise A. Okay, my dear students, what we are going to do in this activity, write words. As in early. Okay students, so any 4 words you can write here. As you can write here early, then you can write here search and learn and earth. Okay, pearl also you can write. Any 4 words you will write here and you will solve this activity. Now what we are going to do in exercise B, join and write words. So let's start gluing and gluing. Learn, earth, search, earn. Okay students, so we are going to solve both of the activities. You will pause the video and then you will do your written work. Dear prep 6 students, you will solve both of the activities in this way. Your writing should be neat and clean. Okay, and you will try to memorize these words also. अगर आप IPR में जो words given हैं उनको अच्छे से आप लोग अपनी मेमोरी में रखते हैं, उनको डेली रूटीन में यूज़ करते हैं, तो आपके पास बहुत अच्छी वोकेबलरी कलेक्ट हो जाएगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स मूव ओवर टुवर्ड्स और लास्ट एक्टिविटी, विच इज़ रीड, मैच एंड रीराइट द वर्ड्स. And which words are given here? Let's start reading. First of all, earn, search, heart, early, pearl. Okay, we will do matching with the similar words and then we will rewrite here. Let's start solving this activity. Okay students, in this way you will solve this activity and your writing should be neat and clean. Now come towards the words which are given at the last and let's start reading. Earthquake. Earthquake mean, yes, when the earth shakes. ठीक है, जब ज़मीन हिलती है, ज़लज़ला. Is it okay? Next one, heart. It's not hurt, okay, it's heart. So it was all about our today's lesson. You will read page number 54 5 times, plus you will solve the worksheet, and it was our last lesson from IPR 2. I hope you people have enjoyed reading and learning this book. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start book 2. And till then, take care. Allah Hafiz students. Keep practicing sound numbers and keep learning phonograms. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.